Dear aspiring affiliate marketer, are you just starting your journey in the world of affiliate marketing? Or feeling like you're stuck in a rut, struggling to make those first sales? We have something special just for you, insider knowledge that can change the game. Introducing our exclusive ebook, a carefully crafted guide, designed to give you the boost you need to thrive in affiliate marketing. We won't reveal all the secrets here, but trust us, you won't want to miss out. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of tips and advice that have helped countless beginners like yourself break through barriers and start seeing real results. We know something you need to know, and it can make all the difference. By learning and implementing these strategies, you'll unlock the potential to transform your affiliate marketing journey. Picture yourself attracting more traffic to your offers, building lasting connections with your audience, maximizing your commissions effortlessly. But that's not all. Our ebook goes beyond the basics. We'll show you how to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, and the extra benefits are worth their weight in gold. Ready to take the first step toward affiliate marketing success? Don't miss out on this opportunity to gain the knowledge that could change your life. The time to act is now. Get your copy today and start your journey to success.